Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today we will make Polish traditional dumplings with strawberry or knedle, and let's get started. Now I will prepare strawberry and cut in half. When it's small strawberry you don't have to cut it, but when a very large strawberry looks beautiful, fresh. Next I will do the potato. All potatoes are cooked, so first part I have to mash. It's best to mash potato when still warm. It's much easier. Looks like this. Masher works wonderful. The potato are mashed. Look at this. It looks beautiful. One consistency. Now I will start making dumplings, strawberry dumplings. See, I just make the potato shape in circle, and I cut in 4 parts, and one part is going on the side, and this side I will put potato starch. Just fill this spot, you can see. Perfect. And in the middle 1 egg. And now I will make it potato dough. Combine all these ingredients. We're adding this part too. Easy to work with because the potatoes are still slightly warm. You can see the dumplings is very easy to make. We need just potatoes, potato starch, and 1 egg, and we're done. Takes no time to make this dough. You can see the dough is done. Looks beautiful. Now I will start making dumplings with strawberries. Now I'm dividing potato dough. Potato dough flat. The strawberry goes in the middle and just fold like this. Potato dumplings called knedle is very popular dish in Poland. Today I'm making dumplings knedle with strawberries. That would be a great idea because it's a Valentine's Day. So I'm making knedle with strawberries. The dough is so soft. Sometimes you have leftover potato, don't waste it, you can make knedle. Okay, we're done. From this amount of potatoes I make 27 potato dumplings with strawberry. Yummy! Now will be the next part. I will cook and we can enjoy. 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm preparing topping for knedle, potato dumplings with strawberry. Butter is start melting. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Everything is bubbling right now. It takes you 2 minutes. I'll be done. If you don't like breadcrumbs, you can use just plain butter. Okay, we're done with the breadcrumbs. Water is hot. Because I didn't put any salt to my potato, I have to put some salt to the water. About 1 tablespoon. The water is boiling. Now I'm adding potato dumplings with strawberry. And you have to wait when potato dumplings knedle will go up. We'll wait 3 minutes and we'll be done. Now you can see potato dumplings go up. We'll have to wait a few more minutes because fresh strawberries and a little bit time to so much done. Knedle is a very old Polish recipe, and my mom made me this knedle with strawberries. Knedle done. Now I will cook the rest of the Knedle and we can enjoy. So excited. And on the top, sugar. Let's go try it. You have to try this recipe. So delicious. Yummy.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.